Alright, so first things first, you want to take your key fob. You're going to want to, split it in half. Generally, they just kind of crack in half. I don't know about your key fob and how it would work, but I'm going to crack it in half. Sorry, I was working on the car. My hands are dirty. My fingernails are dirty. Don't give a fuck. You guys should do this. But, here we go. We're going to take the key fob all apart. There goes the frame, brand new battery. Put that to the side. Take this all apart. See? All the contact pads are missing. Right? Alright. So now the concept is you just want something to touch these two connections here in order to make the switch work. These buttons press the little switch. There's these little copper contact pads that were little cup shaped, so they would just pop back, but that's irrelevant. So I'm gonna show you what we can do here. Got a roll of this, just aluminum heat tape. Had some laying around. It might cost a little bit, but I guarantee you it costs a lot less than a whole new key fob. Alright, so now what you want to do is put everything apart. You just need this little rubber part. You're going to take this, take a little strip, not much, not a pretty thin strip here. We're going to do this rough. You can do it with scissors if you want to. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, whatever, you just need little pieces. So take a little piece of pad right here. This will be your new contact pad. You're gonna peel that. You're gonna separate it. Let's find out where your buttons are. Stick it right there. Just make sure they're not in the spaces the other buttons. Might have a little trouble getting it to stick. The silicone is a little tricky, but I don't know how long term this is. Worst case, all you gotta do is find a new way to glue those on there. But okay. Shit. It's a little aggravating to peel even with fingernails. Right. Oh, shit. No, almost had it, almost had it. There we go. Find another button. Press that down. You might want to try to cover. You see how there's a little dot here? And these two little lines. Kind of want to get those covered, more or less, because those is where everything's connecting and contacting. So we got two more. I don't really care about the panic button. I wouldn't want that just getting pressed in case these are a little more sensitive than the original buttons. But kind of missed the second piece there, the second half. But there we go. There we go. That'll be the last one. Very quick fix. Now take your chip, put the chip back in there. We're gonna drop this back in here. We're gonna try to do this all in one take so that you don't think I'm switching anything. Okay. This is a van in question. Alright, everything seems to be working. I guess I should have